First, I used a broken light bulb. I removed the light bulb and kept the socket. Next, I used a sheet of PVC and used a heat gun to heat the sheet, then flattened it. From the PVC sheet, I cut 2 circles with the same diameter as the light bulb. I used a drill to drill 2 round holes in 2 plastic sheets. Next, I took 2 chopsticks and marked on them. I used a saw to cut through the marked points. Next, I glued 2 round plastic sheets to the 2 ends of the 2 chopsticks. Next, I used 1 millimeter diameter copper wire to wrap around the 2 chopsticks. Note: the copper wire is wound alternately along the saw marks on the 2 chopsticks. Next, I used a blue LED bulb and glued it to a round plastic sheet. I used a soldering iron to connect the LED to the 2 ends of the copper coil. I used a small power transformer to create a switching power supply for the bug zapper. I used Rubicon capacitor and connected one leg to transformer, followed by a blocking bead and a resistor diode. After connecting the electronic components together, I glued it to the remaining round plastic sheet. Next, I used a soldering iron to connect the remaining two ends of the copper wire to the two terminals of the transformer. Then connect the bulb tail to the transformer input. I used glue to stick the bulb base to the round plastic plate. To test if the machine is working, I use a light bulb socket and plug the machine into a power source. Luckily, it worked exactly as I expected. For safety, I used a metal mesh wrapped around the machine. After completing the machine, I took it into the bedroom to test it. I will connect the machine to the power source, then turn off all the lights in the room so the insects can fly there. After one night, I will take the machine to check to see if it caught any insects. I really couldn't believe my eyes. It caught so many insects. I didn't expect it to be so powerful. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.